I'm going to use the distributive property to represent 3 times 45. I'm going to draw my rectangle and start down here. This is 3. This is representing 45. When I write 45 in expanded form and I distribute it or break it apart, it breaks up into 40, because the value of this 4 is 40, it's in the tens place, and 5. The value of this 5 is 5 because it's in the ones place. Then I'm going to draw a little line right there that represents 5 and 40. Now, inside my boxes here, I'm going to write 3 times 40 and 3 times 5. First, I will do 3 times 40. 3 times 4 is 12. Add a 0. 3 times 5 is 15. I have partial products here. I have one product here and one product here. I'm going to add these two products together. 120 plus 15. And I get 135. So 3 times 45 is 135.